It's 4:50 in the morning and nasa main road na tayo. We're gonna do half marathon for this Sunday with myself. And since it's September 21 today, I'm gonna be running 21 kilometers. See, the first 5 kilometers we're gonna be running slow. Zone 2, and the remaining kilometers I'm gonna be running steady. Let's finish strong. It's early and ganda kasi mga stars. Ngayon na ulit ako nakita ng stars. I'm so happy with that. 1K in, 20 more. Benta pa. Every kilometer is an achievement in itself. Ba't ko ginagawa ito? Hindi ko alam. 5 kilometers. I don't know where I am. Ngayon mag-a-add na tayo ng speed. Na tayo sa goal pace na tinatawag. 6:30. Wonderful life. Parang may sariling pali parang. We're not giving up. Cause we ain't bitch. 10 kilometers in. 11 pa pare, 11 pa. Miss, first time ko mag-gel. Buzz fuel. Kalahatiin muna natin. Hindi ko kayang tamis niya. 11 natin, tapos babalik tayo. 14.15 kilometers. Okay ko naman lahat. Ngayon sa kapara. I see the transition from happy to problematic. Pero this is part of this journey. Yung tinatawag yun ang second wind. Third wind ko na yata. 15. 6 kilometers pa. 1 kilometer na lang. We did it. But I'm so busy. Okay, that's life. It's a wonderful thing to do. Kilometers 21.